everyone! Welcome back. It's time for another Hebrew lesson. A huge part of Hebrew grammar are prefixes. They serve the purpose of what whole words do in English. They are normally one letter added to the word and function as conjunctions. In this video, I'll be going through the prefixes one by one so you can learn how to use them correctly. Here we go! And the letter Vav making the sound V. When you see this letter before a word, it means and. For example, tapuach, V, tapuz, an apple and an orange. It can be pronounced two ways though. One is how we saw in the previous example, like the letter V, V. The other is U, U. Examples of this are uleyalda, and for the girl, and uva'aretz, and in the country. The letter Hey, pronounced H, H. Not only conjunctions are in prefix form in Hebrew. The word the is just the letter Hey added before the word. So, for example, you could say hayeled, the boy, hasefer, the book, hadelet, the door, and so on and so forth. From the letter mem, making the sound Let's see an example. Ani ba'a meha chanut. I am coming from the store. Here you can see the hey from the previous example and the mem from this one. In, or in some cases with, the letter bet, making the sound b, b. In most cases, it'll mean in or at. Ani ba'makolet, I am at the grocery. Ani ba'chanut, I am at the store. Ani ba'eretz, I am in the country. To or for, the letter lamed, making the sound l, l. This can be used as in I'm going someplace or this is for her. It's all the same conjunction. Ani holechet lebet sefer, I am going to school. Ani noten et haglida leyalda, I am giving the ice cream to the girl. Like or as, the letter kaf making the sound k, k. Ani chofshi k'tzipor, I am free as a bird. That, the letter shin making the sound sh, sh. Anachnu yodim shehu po, we know that he is here. When, the letter kaf and the letter shin put together, ksh, ksh. Ani rotza lelechet lishon kshehi tachzor habaiti, I want to go to sleep when she comes home. Now let's put them in practice. I'll say a sentence and you'll have to fill in what prefix is appropriate. Ani ohevet et blank etz. Ani ohevet et ha'etz, I like the tree. Hu holech blank oto. Hu holech la oto, he went to the car. Ani lokachat et blank tapuach blank blank etz. אני לוקחת את התפוח מהעץ. It's. I take the apple from the tree. האישה blank עבודה. האישה בעבודה. The woman is at work. blank ילד blank blank ילדה blank בית ספר. הילד והילדה בבית ספר. The boy and the girl are at school. That's it for today. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to see me cover another grammar or vocabulary topic, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep getting easy language lessons. Tack för idag, להתראות, tschüss, and auf Wiedersehen!